Story Kids Rise.
The Princess and the Salt Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Once upon a time, in a kingdom nestled between rolling hills and sparkling streams, there lived a young princess named Ella. Princess Ella had a smile that could brighten the darkest of days and a heart as pure as the morning dew. One day, as Princess Ella roamed the lush gardens of the royal palace, she noticed something peculiar. The usually vibrant flowers drooped sadly, their petals wilting under the harsh sun. Concerned, Ella approached the garden's caretaker, an elderly woman named Mrs. Finch. "What has happened to the flowers, Mrs. Finch?" Ella asked with furrowed brows. Mrs. Finch sighed, her wrinkled face creased with worry. "I fear our gardens are in desperate need of salt, Your Highness," she explained. "Without it, the soil lacks nutrients, and the flowers cannot thrive." Determined to help, Princess Ella set out on a quest to find salt for the garden. She ventured into the nearby village, where she met a wise old farmer named Mr. Tully. "Can you help me find salt for the palace gardens?" Ella asked earnestly. Mr. Tully nodded, his eyes twinkling with kindness. "Follow me, Princess," he said, leading her to a hidden cave at the edge of the village. Inside the cave, Princess Ella discovered a sparkling salt mine, its walls shimmering with crystalline deposits. With Mr. Tully's guidance, she gathered bags of the finest salt and thanked him gratefully. Returning to the palace, Princess Ella wasted no time in sprinkling the salt over the wilted flowers. As if by magic, the garden sprang to life, the flowers blooming with newfound vigor and beauty. Mrs. Finch was overjoyed at the sight. "You have saved our garden, Princess," she exclaimed, her eyes shining with gratitude. But Princess Ella knew she couldn't take all the credit. "It was Mr. Tully who helped me find the salt," she said humbly. The villagers, upon hearing of Ella's kindness, celebrated her as a hero. And from that day forward, the palace gardens flourished, a testament to the power of generosity and friendship. And so, in the kingdom of dreams, the tale of the princess and the salt was told for generations to come, a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can make a world of difference. The Princess and the Salt Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.